Hi, hello, welcome friends. I am Amal. Today in this video we are going to see some tasty science experiments. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. Friends, today in this video we are going to use some chemicals that we are using in our kitchens. If you are ready, let's start. The first tasty science experiment is, now we are going to see how to make fizzy lemon juice. We all know how to make lemon juice. Now we are going to add a chemical to make the lemon juice fizzy. Now we will see the things needed for it. A bowl of sugar, a glass of water, spoon, knife, and a lemon, squeezer, glass, and baking soda. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, and lemon contains citric acid. Now we will see how to make it. As you all know, first we will cut the lemon and squeeze it in the glass bottle, and we will add water and mix it with the sugar. Now we are going to add a chemical in the last, that is baking soda, to make the lemon fizzy. Now we will start. Cut the lemon here. Now I have cut it. Take the squeezer and put one lemon inside and squeeze it. Now take another lemon and squeeze it. Take the another lemon and keep it inside. Squeeze it. Then you will get more juice. See? Now we have squeezed the lemon. Now we are going to add some water. Now we will add the sugar in the lemonade. Now we will mix it. Mix it properly to which the sugar dissolves in the lemonade. Now we will dissolve properly. See, now the sugar has been dissolved. Friends, now our lemonade is ready. Now we will add the baking soda, which is nothing but sodium bicarbonate. What will happen if we add the baking soda? The citric acid from the lemon and the baking soda will react together, which forms air bubbles. Air bubbles is nothing but carbon dioxide, which make the lemonade fizzy. Now we will see that. Now we will put the baking soda in the spoon. We need to add only less amount. Now I have added baking soda in the spoon. Now we will put it in the lemonade. Now mix it. See friends, wow! See how our lemonade is fizzy. Now see how the air bubbles came from the baking soda. Now I will taste it. See, now our fizzy lemonade is ready. Yummy! We need to add only less baking soda, because if we add many more baking soda, we will get, it is not very good for our health. Now the first tasty science experiment is done. Friends, the next experiment we are going to make soda with the things that we use in our kitchen. bottle, vinegar, baking soda and a plastic tube, spoon. I have taken two clays. You can use anything that sticks to this tube very well. You can also use hot glue gun, but I have used only clay. Friends, the first step is we need to put the holes in the two bottles. See, I have made the hole in the two bottles and then use the tube to insert and the clay to fix it tight. That will make it air tight. Then only the air will not go anywhere. Now I have fixed it. Now take the other side of the tube and insert it here. Now I have inserted. Take the another clay and put it tightly. Friends, now I have used the clay to fix this tube. Now we will open it and pour this vinegar into this plastic bottle. Now we will take the baking soda and put into this. Friends, why I add the baking soda in this tissue paper? Because when we put the baking soda directly, the fizzy will come fast. So that I am using this tissue paper. Now fold it. Friends, now I have filled the bottle with the vinegar. Now we will put the tissue paper which is filled with baking soda inside it. Friends, now it is easy to press. After some time, it will become hard to press. It will take some time. We will wait for some time. See, the reaction is happening. See how hard is here. It is hard like a rock. See, I am trying to press, but it is very hard. The reaction is happening. I am trying, but it is very hard. Friends, the gas is going in this plastic tube. See, starting here, going here and coming inside this bottle. Friends, the baking soda and vinegar is reacting together, which creates carbon dioxide, which is nothing but air bubbles. It is traveling, it is starting here and ending in this bottle. See, this air bubbles is coming here. Now we will shake it. See, some air bubbles are here. Now we will pour it in the lemon juice and we will taste it. Open. Pour it here. Friends, now our lemon soda is ready. Now I will taste it. It is very yummy to taste it. So our second experiment is done. Friends, today in this video we have seen how to make fizzy lemon juice and how to make soda with the two chemicals, baking soda and vinegar. Please give your likes and comments to put more videos to your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye friends.